The bathroom has quietly become one of the most surprising frontiers for smart home technology. It's not just about convenience either, since a lot of these devices genuinely improve health tracking, water efficiency, and everyday comfort in ways that are easy to overlook until you actually try one. From mirrors that double as displays to water leak sensors that can save you thousands in damage, the smart bathroom category has matured into something genuinely worth paying attention to. Number 7. Smart Bathroom Scale. Starting off at number 7 is the Smart Bathroom Scale, a device that's evolved well beyond a simple number readout into a genuinely comprehensive body composition tracker. Rather than just displaying total weight, modern smart scales use bioelectrical impedance technology, sending a tiny, completely safe electrical signal through your feet to estimate body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone density, and water weight, all from a single step onto the platform. That data automatically syncs to a companion app over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, building a detailed history over time that shows genuine trends rather than the misleading day-to-day fluctuations that plague simple weight tracking alone, since body weight naturally shifts throughout the week due to water retention, meal timing, and other factors that have nothing to do with actual fat loss or muscle gain. Most models support multiple user profiles, automatically recognizing who's stepping on the scale based on stored weight and body composition patterns, which matters a lot for households where more than one person is tracking their own separate fitness goals. Many smart scales also integrate directly with popular fitness apps, syncing weight and body composition data alongside step counts, workout logs, and nutrition tracking, giving a genuinely unified view of overall health progress rather than scattered, disconnected data points across multiple apps. The accuracy of bioelectrical impedance measurements does vary somewhat, depending on hydration level and time of day, so most health-conscious users are encouraged to weigh in at a consistent time, typically first thing in the morning, to get the most comparable readings over time. Build quality on higher-end models includes tempered glass platforms and precise, well-calibrated sensors capable of detecting changes as small as a fraction of a pound, which matters for anyone tracking progress closely during a structured fitness or weight management program. Battery life tends to be excellent, often lasting a year or more on a set of standard batteries since the scale only draws power briefly during each use. For anyone serious about tracking real health progress rather than just a single daily number, a smart scale turns a genuinely mundane bathroom fixture into a meaningful, ongoing source of health data, which is exactly why it earns a spot on this list even if it's one of the less flashy entries. Number 6. Waterproof Smart Shower Speaker. The Waterproof Smart Shower Speaker, a compact Bluetooth speaker specifically engineered to survive constant water exposure while delivering genuinely solid sound quality in one of the most acoustically forgiving rooms in the house. Bathrooms naturally have excellent acoustics thanks to hard, reflective surfaces like tile and glass, and a good shower speaker takes full advantage of that, producing surprisingly rich, full sound from a device small enough to mount on a shower wall or sit on a windowsill. Most models carry a genuine IPX7 waterproof rating or higher, meaning they can handle direct water spray, splashing, and even brief submersion without any risk of damage, a meaningful upgrade over trying to use a regular Bluetooth speaker in a bathroom and risking permanent water damage. Battery life on quality models typically runs 8 to 12 hours on a single charge, more than enough for even the longest shower routine, and most include a built-in suction cup or magnetic mount, letting you stick the speaker directly to tile, glass, or a mirror at whatever height is most convenient. Beyond just music, many smart shower speakers double as a genuinely useful hands-free calling device, complete with a built-in microphone that lets you take calls without needing to touch a wet phone, and some integrate voice assistant support, letting you check the weather, set a timer, or control other smart home devices entirely by voice while you're in the shower. Pairing is typically simple and quick, connecting directly to a smartphone over Bluetooth from a room away, and many speakers automatically reconnect to the last paired device the moment they're powered back on, removing the need to repair every single time. Some higher-end models include built-in LED mood lighting that syncs to the music being played, adding a small extra layer of ambience to an otherwise purely functional space. It's a genuinely simple gadget in concept, but the combination of real water resistance, solid sound quality, and hands-free functionality is exactly why it's become such a popular, practical addition to modern bathrooms, turning a daily routine into something a little more enjoyable. Number 5. Smart Toothbrush. The Smart Toothbrush, an electric toothbrush equipped with sensors and app connectivity specifically designed to improve brushing technique and consistency over time, addressing a genuinely widespread problem, since most people brush their teeth far less effectively than they think. Built-in motion sensors track exactly how you're moving the brush across your teeth in real time, detecting whether you're covering every quadrant of your mouth evenly, applying appropriate pressure, and brushing for the full recommended 2 minutes, all information that gets relayed live to a connected smartphone app through Bluetooth. That real-time feedback is genuinely more useful than it might sound, since most people unconsciously favor certain areas of their mouth while neglecting others, often spending far more time on easily accessible front teeth while rushing through harder-to-reach back molars, a pattern that becomes immediately visible once you can actually see a mapped-out coverage report after each brushing session. Pressure sensors are particularly valuable too, since brushing too aggressively is a genuinely common cause of gum recession and enamel wear over time, and most smart toothbrushes provide a gentle vibration or app alert the moment you're pressing too hard, helping correct that habit before it causes lasting damage. Many models track brushing consistency over weeks and months, building a long-term record that can genuinely help identify patterns, like consistently skipping nighttime brushing, that might otherwise go unnoticed without that kind of ongoing data. Some smart toothbrushes also sync directly with a dentist's office through compatible apps, allowing your dental care provider to review your actual brushing habits and technique between visits, giving them genuinely useful context beyond just a quick visual check during a routine cleaning. Battery life on most models lasts several weeks between charges, and replacement brush heads typically include their own embedded sensors to maintain accurate tracking data as heads get swapped out over time. For anyone who's ever wondered whether their brushing technique is actually effective, or parents trying to build better habits in kids through gamified app features, a smart toothbrush turns a purely routine task into something genuinely measurable and improvable. Number 4. Smart Water Leak and Flood Sensor. The Smart Water Leak and Flood Sensor, a genuinely unglamorous but potentially home-saving device specifically designed to detect water where it shouldn't be, well before it turns into a serious, expensive problem. Bathrooms are one of the most common sources of household water damage, whether from a slowly failing toilet supply line, a leaking pipe under a sink, or an overflowing tub, and by the time visible damage or a spike in the water bill reveals the problem, significant harm has often already been done to flooring, drywall, and subflooring. A smart leak sensor solves this by sitting directly on the floor near common risk areas, like under a sink, behind a toilet, or near a washing machine connection, using built-in moisture sensors to detect even small amounts of water contact, and immediately sending a push notification to a connected smartphone app the instant it senses trouble, often catching a slow leak weeks or months before it would otherwise become obvious. Some more advanced systems pair directly with an automatic shutoff valve installed on a home's main water line, capable of cutting off the entire water supply automatically the moment a serious leak or flood is detected, which is genuinely invaluable protection for anyone traveling or away from home for extended periods when a leak could otherwise go completely unnoticed and unaddressed for days. Battery life on standalone sensors typically lasts a year or more, and most units include a built-in audible alarm in addition to the smartphone notification, ensuring the alert is impossible to miss even for someone who happens to be in the house at the time. Setup is refreshingly simple, usually requiring nothing more than placing the sensor in a chosen location and connecting it to a home Wi-Fi network through a companion app, with no wiring, plumbing knowledge, or professional installation required for the basic standalone sensors. Given how genuinely expensive water damage repairs can become, often running into thousands of dollars for anything beyond a minor leak, the relatively small upfront cost of a leak sensor represents one of the best value-to-protection ratios of any smart home device, which is exactly why it earns a high spot on this list despite being one of the least visually exciting entries. Number 3. Smart LED Vanity Mirror. Coming in at number 3 is the Smart LED Vanity Mirror, a genuinely versatile upgrade that combines adjustable lighting, anti-fog technology, and often a built-in display or Bluetooth speaker into a single mirror that transforms how a bathroom actually functions during a morning routine. The centerpiece feature on most smart mirrors is adjustable, dimmable LED lighting built directly around the mirror's edge, letting users switch between different color temperatures, from warm, soft lighting for evening skincare routines to bright, neutral daylight mimicking light for applying makeup or checking outfit details before heading out, all without needing separate bathroom lighting fixtures to accomplish the same range. That color temperature accuracy matters more than people often expect, since makeup and grooming decisions made under poor or mismatched lighting frequently look noticeably different once someone steps outside into natural daylight, a common frustration that a properly lit smart mirror directly addresses. Built-in anti-fog technology, typically using a subtle heating element embedded behind the mirror's surface, prevents the frustrating fogging that happens after a hot shower, keeping the mirror perfectly clear and ready to use immediately rather than needing to wipe away condensation or wait for it to clear on its own. Many higher-end models include a small integrated display capable of showing the time, current weather, or even news headlines directly on the mirror's surface, turning a few minutes of morning routine into an efficient way to catch up on the day ahead without needing to check a separate phone or device. Bluetooth speaker integration is another common feature, letting users stream music or podcasts directly through the mirror itself, consolidating multiple bathroom gadgets into one single fixture rather than needing a separate speaker taking up counter space. Touch-sensitive controls along the mirror's frame typically handle brightness, color temperature, and any additional smart features, keeping the overall design clean and free of visible buttons or dials. Installation ranges from simple wall mounting for basic models to a more involved setup for versions requiring a dedicated power connection, though most are designed to fit standard bathroom mirror dimensions without requiring major renovation. For anyone who spends real time each morning on skincare, makeup, or grooming, a smart mirror genuinely improves the accuracy and efficiency of that routine in a way a standard mirror simply can't match. Number 2. Smart Digital Shower System. The Smart Digital Shower System, a genuinely transformative upgrade that replaces standard manual shower knobs with a digital control panel capable of setting and remembering exact water temperature, flow rate, and even specific spray patterns, all with the press of a single preset button. Rather than fumbling with a knob every single morning trying to find the exact right mix of hot and cold water, a digital shower system lets you set your ideal temperature once through an initial calibration, then save it as a personal preset that starts your shower at exactly that temperature every time going forward, with no waiting, no guessing, and no wasted water while you adjust the mix manually. Multiple household members can save their own individual presets, meaning everyone in the family gets their personal ideal shower experience without needing to readjust settings every time someone new steps in, a genuinely meaningful convenience in busy multi-person households. Many systems allow you to start the shower running remotely from a smartphone app or voice assistant a few minutes before you actually walk into the bathroom, meaning the water is already at your preferred temperature and ready to go the moment you're ready to step in, eliminating the wasted water and time spent waiting for a shower to heat up. Beyond temperature control, digital systems often manage multiple shower heads or body jets simultaneously, letting you customize exactly which combination of rainfall head, handheld sprayer, or side jets are active for any given session, and adjust the water pressure and spray pattern independently for each one. Water usage tracking is a genuinely valuable feature on more advanced systems too, giving households real data on exactly how much water each shower session uses, which can meaningfully inform conservation efforts or simply satisfy curiosity about daily water consumption. Installation typically requires professional plumbing work to integrate the digital valve system behind the wall, making it a bigger investment than most other gadgets on this list. But for anyone who showers daily and values consistency, water savings, and genuine personalization, the payoff in daily comfort and efficiency is considerable. Number 1. Smart Toilet with Integrated Bidet. And that brings us to number 1. And it's genuinely the gadget that transforms an entire bathroom experience more than any other single device on this list. The Smart Toilet with an integrated bidet function. Combining precise, adjustable water cleansing with a heated seat, built-in air dryer, and often a self-cleaning nozzle, it takes one of the most basic, universally used fixtures in any home and turns it into something genuinely comfortable and remarkably hygienic. Adjustable water pressure, temperature, and spray positioning let every user customize the cleansing experience to their exact preference, offering a noticeably more thorough clean than traditional toilet paper alone, while also being considerably gentler on sensitive skin, a genuine benefit for anyone with certain medical conditions or simply looking for a more comfortable daily routine. The heated seat feature alone wins over a lot of first-time users almost instantly, eliminating the small but consistently unpleasant shock of sitting down on cold porcelain, particularly during colder months, and most models let you fine-tune the exact seat temperature to your personal comfort level. Built-in odor filtration systems actively pull air through a carbon filter during use, genuinely reducing bathroom odor in real time rather than simply masking it afterward with a spray or candle, a detail that makes a noticeable difference in smaller bathrooms with limited ventilation. Many higher-end models include motion sensor lid opening and automatic flushing, along with a soft ambient night light that illuminates the bowl in the dark without requiring anyone to switch on a full bright bathroom light during a middle-of-the-night visit. Self-cleaning nozzles sanitize themselves automatically before and after each use, and some models include app connectivity that tracks water usage and can even alert users to unusual bathroom habits worth monitoring for health reasons over time. Installation is typically straightforward for standalone bidet seat attachments, fitting onto most existing toilets with basic tools, while fully integrated smart toilets require a more involved replacement installation. Given the sheer combination of comfort, hygiene, and genuinely thoughtful daily convenience it delivers, It's easy to see why the smart toilet consistently earns the top spot in this category, transforming one of the most mundane parts of a daily routine into something people genuinely look forward to using.